The new and sophisticated Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus smartphones will finally be launched on Friday, March 16. It remains to be seen how well the phones will go, but so far the initial responses have been mixed. Reviewers congratulated themselves on the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, and rightly so. These new flagship phones are better than any other Android phone on the market at the moment. As a result, hardcore Android users may not be as willing as Apple fans to buy smartphones that look almost exactly like their predecessors, even if the Galaxy S9 offers great performance and improvements to the camera. Maybe they prefer a new design. Maybe one with a notch. While reactions among early adopters may not be as enthusiastic as Samsung expected, the company is expected to sell tens of millions of Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus smartphones throughout its life cycle. If you are one of the people who end up buying one of these new phones, there is a fantastic feature hidden inside your phone that no other device or flagship iPhone has, and most people do not even know it is there. There are two important news about the back of Samsung's new Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus phones. The first is obviously the cameras, which have received enormous improvements thanks to the new technology of the company's super speed dual pixel. Apart from that, the fingerprint sensor in both new models has been relocated to the center of the phones just below the camera's lenses. This is obviously a much more convenient location than the off-center positioning on the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus last year,